Hello guys, and welcome to the first video in the Firebase authentication series. In this video we'll be talking about the installation and setup for Firebase in our Angular application. So I'm on this GitHub page of AngularFire 2 and it says that first we have to install Angular CLI and then create a new project, and that's something that we have already done. We have created a project named Firebase Authentication, and I've also installed a few modules like Firebase AngularFire 2. So I've already done that. Now it's a matter of going to the fourth step, wherein we need some keys named the API key, auth domain, and other such keys for my Firebase project. But I don't really have one project right now, so I'm going to create one using Firebase console. So I'll go to console.firebase.google.com, and I can either use a project that was already created or I can create a new one. So to create a new one, you can click on this add project button, and this is going to ask you the project name and the country or region that you need to select, and just check this button and click on the create project. Once that is done, it is going to take you to a project that looks something like this, and this is going to take you to this page right here. Now to get those configuration keys, since ours is an Angular application, it can be considered as a web app. So I'll just click on this button right here, and this is going to generate some configuration for me. So I'll simply copy this configuration object right here, and let's paste that inside the environment file. So in the environment.ts, I'm going to create a new variable named Firebase, and I'm going to paste this object right there. And let's also get rid of the double quotation marks and replace them with single quotation marks. Okay, now I'm going to create a new module for my Firebase application. So to generate that, I'm going to use ng space g for generate and then m for module, and then I'm going to call this module app-firebase, and this will generate a module for me inside the app folder. And this is where I'm going to initialize my app. But first I need to get rid of a few things that I don't really need, like declarations and the common module. And then I'll also export a few modules from here that I can later import inside my app module. So in the imports, I need to first import a few things. So I'll import the AngularFire module from AngularFire 2, and I'm also going to import AngularFireAuthModule from AngularFire 2/auth. Okay, and then I'm going to initialize the app using AngularFireModule.initializeApp. Now I need to pass it some configuration, and that configuration is already stored inside the environment. So I'll import that environment that was imported from prod, but mine is saved just inside the environment file. So now I can use this environment inside the initialize app. So environment.firebase, and then I also am going to import the AngularFireAuthModule, and then after that I'll just simply export these two modules from the app Firebase module that we have just created. So AngularFireAuthModule as well, and now I can simply import these two modules inside my app module. So that's what I'm going to do. App Firebase module, and this counts as the first step that we have covered to use Firebase in our Angular app. Now in the next video we'll be creating a few services, and then we'll be creating a component that will leverage those services to implement user authentication in our Angular app. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.